In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a subscriber in Xero. To get started, sign into Xero using the account that currently holds the subscriber role. This is important because only the current subscriber can begin the transfer process. Once you are logged in, take a moment to make sure you are in the correct organization, especially if you manage more than one account in Xero. That helps avoid making changes in the wrong place. Next, look at the top of the screen and click on your organization name. This will open a menu with several options related to your account and business settings. From that menu, select Subscription and Billing. This is the section where Xero keeps the details related to the plan, billing setup, and subscriber information. After the subscription and billing page opens, move your attention to the upper right area of that section and click the three dots icon. This opens a small action menu with additional options that may not be visible right away. From that menu, choose Request Transfer. This is the option that lets the current subscriber start the process of transferring subscriber access to someone else. You'll now see fields where you need to enter the new subscriber's details. Carefully type in the person's first name, last name, and email address. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling here, especially the email address, because the transfer invitation will be sent to that address. If T here is a typo, the new person may not receive the request, and you may need to repeat the process. Once everything is entered correctly, click Request Transfer to send the invitation. At that point, Xero will send the transfer request to the new person so they can accept it. Keep in mind that the transfer usually isn't complete until the invited person responds, so if needed, you may want to let them know to check their inbox and any spam or junk folders just in case the email doesn't appear right away. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can successfully begin changing the subscriber in Xero in just a few moments. Thanks for watching.